This next section, we are going to convert volume into mass. You can only do this for gases. As of right now, we can only do this for gases. Based on the kinetic molecular theory and other research, it has been found that there are 22.4 liters in every mole of a gas, only gases. So if I have 22.4 liters of a gas, I also happen to have 1 mole. So this mole, it's a really magic number, right? Because molar mass tells me how many grams there are per mole. I also know how many molecules there are per mole. So there's a lot of different values that equal 1 mole, and it becomes very useful. That's why the mole is so important to know. So let's say that I have a gas, Cl2, chlorine gas, and I want to find the mass in 100 liters of Cl2. So, going back to problem solving, if this was your question here, find the mass in 100 liters of Cl2, you have to think about the steps that you know to connect volume with mass. Well, right here, I know that liters is 1 mole. What do I also know about mole? Well, I know molar mass. So I can also figure out grams for every mole. I can figure out the molar mass of Cl2. If I look at the periodic table, the atomic mass, 35.45, which is the same value as my molar mass. There's 2 Cl atoms, so I want to multiply by 2. When I do that, I get 70.9 grams per mole. So now I have a volume. I have a conversion factor for volume in moles, and now I have a molar mass, which I can use moles to grams. So start off with your given data, starting off with 100 liters. I'm going to multiply it by 1 conversion factor. Let's start, I have liters, so I know that liters has to be in the bottom there, right? That's what you want to start getting into the habit of. Whatever you're starting with, you want to put that same unit on the bottom of your denominator. So what goes on top? What you want. What you want goes on top. I want to change liters into moles, so then I can then change moles into grams. I know, based off of this conversion factor, that there are 22.4 liters in 1 mole. I'll do another conversion factor. So again, what you want goes on top. I want grams. I have moles here, so I'll put the moles down there so that they cancel. Now I have some dimensional analysis going on. Cancel out my liters, cancel out my moles. If I put all this in my calculator, I should get 316.5 liters. Sorry, 316.5 grams, because that's what I want.